I go here, that wedge, and then I just come back over that side. And then that's when now they can't stop me. You get what I mean? Like they can't, like now it's just right here, they can't stop me.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
And like figuring, I remember that, figuring out a lot, like I couldn't, because I was like, and then I was like, you can't do that, it's too slow. But this little like, that, and then into like that. And I was like, hey, so I had to stop thinking about getting this into this. Because it worked for a little bit. Then it was like this into this. And I was like, well, that's way faster. Just go here and here. Because look how your hands, when I go here, that wedge, and then I just come back over that side. And then that's when now they can't stop me. You get what I mean? Like they can't, like now it's just right here, they can't stop me. And then if you go here and into that punch, they really can't stop me. Okay, so when I go here, it goes, and then when that hand walks, like see how that like comes into there, or it comes into there. Here, and then that goes in on two hands. Yeah, like you hear, but like that shit is like, I like this shit. But that's why I like this stuff. Like I get what I mean? Like I like this pulls down, that passes, that hand comes in, and that comes in. Like, and that's not as easy to do when he's being resistant. But the point is, you're playing with all of that stuff. See, that gets educated.